Hi, I'm Nick Ashe, flying for the Agile team. This is my pilot RC Extra NG from AZ Aerosports, running GP123 RE2 tuned pipes, CLI servos. Welcome to the Freestyle Masters.
Lower than that yesterday. That was better than mileage.
Charlie, Nick, another very good round. Lots of good stuff going on in there. So Charlie, lots of conventional aerobatics, really smooth, really well executed. You're using the space in the field on your circle manoeuvres that you were doing, minimal deviation on height. It was really well controlled. Very low passes, knife edge passes, rolls. Rolling Harrier, as low as you dare before you start touching, you're getting a risk of touching the ground, really good. Without doubt, your best flight so far in the competition. Lots of direction changes on your rolls and that sort of stuff as well. Nick, very low throughout, very fast, lots of energy in there. Opposite snaps went down well. Twinkle rolls, maybe a bit too much of them, or rifle rolls rather, I should say. I know, yeah, I'm not down with the kids anymore, unfortunately. Rifle rolls, you did a circle and a loop, which was great. We saw a bit more of that later on, which you could have been doing some other stuff in that time and getting more points. Very low inverted Harrier, similar to Charlie, as low as you dare before you start touching the ground. Entertainment value in Nick's flight was a little bit higher, more content and more accurate overall. Well done both of you, but we're going to take Nick through.
Yep.
Cheers.